So today I'm reviewing these replacement lid for glass storage containers. I think these are for like the Pyrex brand, but I could be wrong. Give me a minute. Glass food storage container lids. There's some safety features like wash before use, sealing, press the lid evenly to secure it. Microwave use for reheating food only. Always remove or vent lid. So yeah, leave space if you want to freeze it, you can leave space for expansion. And then like it has like all these things. Sorry you couldn't see that, but these is how the lids look. They're not use, dishwasher safe, to rack only, BPA free. So these are actually really nice because you know a lot of like the tops go bad. Mine are in a dishwasher, so I can't like test them out, but this is like how they look. I really like how they come with different sizes for everything because you know we all have different containers to store different stuff, and they're pretty nice. They're pretty good plastic too, and this is how they look. So if you ever need to replace the lid or replace the lids, I think you have to do it like, I don't know, I think it's recommended like every 2 to 5 years. I don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. But yeah, like these are good replacement lids and for the price too. This is for a 7-cup round. Also it tells you here for what type it's best for, which is really nice. So like you don't have to like constantly check all of them to see what fits on what. So yeah, these are great.